Match the vocabulary terms with their correct definitions. 1. Achievement test. 2. Interest inventory. 3. Aptitude test. A. Estimates the probability that a person will be successful in learning a new specific skill. B. Measures how much a person has learned in a certain area or subject. C. Measures a person's preferences, attitudes, and interests in a wide range of areas. Both the SAT and the ACT measure A. Aptitude, B. Interest, C. Achievement. Fill in the blank. When you take a test on Romeo and Juliet English class, this is an example of interest inventory, adaptive test, aptitude test, achievement test. The results of a test you took that show you would be good at working with computers would be an example of an A. Aptitude test, B. Achievement test, C. Interest inventory. What is the difference between an aptitude test and an achievement test? Aptitude tests test what you might be able to do, while an achievement test measures what you have done. B. Aptitude tests are only given to future college students. Achievement tests are given to everyone. C. Aptitude tests show what job you would be good at. Achievement tests show where you should live. Achieve 3000 and MAPS testing are examples of A. Achievement test, B. Adaptive test, C. Aptitude test.